This 2015 Nissan 370Z is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Nissan 370Z Touring Sport 3.7 LV6 engine 6-speed manual transmission automatic xenon headlight steering wheel control cruise control adjustable steering wheel keyless entry power windows power door locks remote front release gray metallic exterior black leather interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for details. Walk around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2015 Nissan 370Z Touring Sport is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle listed for sale. Thank you. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.